Hello, you've been using forms to collect information from your company and send it into the Proactively system. Today we're going to have to look at how to customize those forms so they're exactly the way that you want you to work in your company. Now, you need a special permission to do this. You need the app design permission. I've also ticked Can View Draft Forms because this is really useful when you're testing forms before publishing them. Let's go into App Design, Forms, to see a list of all the forms in the system. Over on the right is the form status. Published are live in the mobile app. Draft can only be seen by those with view as draft status, therefore testing. And disabled means that it can't be viewed in the mobile app, but it's still in the system and you can republish it at any stage. When you first make a form, it will have draft status. You can only delete the form before you publish it. Once published, a form can start collecting information, and deleting the form would also delete that information. Instead, disable a form that you don't want to use. In the middle are the possible language options for the forms. Clicking on Add Form button will allow you to build a form from scratch. We're going to start by editing a form that's already in the system, so let's go back to the form list. Let's click on the Hazard Report form, which is available in English, French and German. This opens up the drag and drop form builder. On the left in grey are the different types of questions, and we can click on one to select it and drag it over to the coloured box, which is a representation of your mobile app. Fill in the details and press Save or Cancel. Clicking on the tabs at the top will show you the forms in English, French and German. Now you'll notice that these are in red for German and French because I've made changes in English but not updated it in German, and down here you can see the missing question. Translation needs to be complete in German before the form can be used on a German mobile app. As default, the form shows on the mobile app in English. Let's make a change to the existing hazard form. This is what it looks like in the mobile app at the moment. The first question, what did you see? And then, where did you see this? In the web portal, we open the hazard report into the form builder. Let's change the title at the top of the form to Hazard Report Form. We want to be able to analyse the information by site, so let's use a drop-down question. This top box is for the field name, which is where the information will be stored. Ticking Requires Answer means that the reporter will always give you this information. Text of question is the question that the reporter will read in the mobile app. Placeholder is the box that the reporter will type over, so it gives a hint of what answer is needed. Then help text is that info button on the right hand side. The possible values are the 3 sites, UK, Switzerland and Germany, and you can add more boxes or remove them using the plus and minus. And save the changes and notice the green confirmation message. The old form had a free text question on where did you see this? Now let's change it to get more information. Click to open, the field name is location. We edit the text of question to add where exactly did you see this? And then press save. Now I'm going to change the order of the question. So I want the drop-down question, where did you see it, choosing the site, to happen before where exactly did you see it. So I drag this mushroom, the 3 lines on the left hand side, and drag one question above the other. You'll notice also the different types of questions are the icons down the right hand side. Let's see how this looks in the mobile app. Firstly, we go to the settings cog and refresh the forms. This will happen automatically when people open the app, but we're doing it manually because we're playing with the forms. We're going to choose to be in the UK team and then open a hazard report. This is how it looks now. The title is Hazard Report Form with that new form word. Where did you see this is the drop-down question with the options UK, Swiss and Germany. And the free text question asks where exactly did you see this? So in this session, we had a look at the app designer in the web portal and saw how it could be used to customize mobile forms.